Do you always want the best image model for your AI tools? To get that, you either have to pay several €100 or feel like you're switching your tool of choice every month. I had this problem too, but now I've discovered the solution for myself and I want to show it to you in this video. In the last few weeks, I've been shopping for lifetime deals again and found what I was looking for on AppSumo, as I have many times in recent years. My image tool of choice is now called MagicFit, and I'm going to show it to you now. To do that, let's go to my dashboard. The dashboard looks like pretty much any other AI tool. You have a chat window, you can choose various things, but this tool can do so much more. And the best part is, it currently has a lifetime deal. As you can see here, you can basically create images, videos, extend videos, or even change things in videos. MagicFit includes the most important AI tools. As you can see, for images we have GPT Images V2 and various Google Nano Banana versions. For video we have the most important ones too: Seedance, Grok, Kling and Google. And the newest and most important tools are always being added. Here, as you already know from other tools, you can basically just write your text here, your prompt, and then create something. We'll do that in a moment, but I also want to show you, because you've probably been wondering what all these ads are doing here. That's actually what MagicFit is all about. You can really generate super cool ads for your social media or your blog here. You also have the option to use avatars. And with the avatars, you can also integrate your own, and you can clone your voice or use another voice. There is also the option to add products. These are then read in and saved, and you can then create blog posts or social media posts much faster and more efficiently with them. But I'll show you that in a moment too. But then of course there are other things like templates and something like agents, but I'll show you that in a moment. In my opinion, the name is a bit poorly chosen. I haven't tried even close to everything yet. I mostly use it for image and video creation, of course, but I've also generated various ad posts with it. We're just going to try an image now. For this, I'll select High Resolution GPT Image 2, which in my opinion is currently the best image model. As you can see up here, the whole thing now costs 15 credits. We'll get to the credits later too. Then I'll just click on Create. What has to be set: image creation takes a bit longer than normal. Video creation too. Presumably it's throttled a bit in the background. That's why the credits might be cheaper, but I'll wait a moment until the image is ready. Now the image is almost ready, and we see it looks wonderful, of course. What I can do here now is I could upscale it, edit it again, or simply delete it. We're going to upscale it now. For this, we'll just take ultra quality 4K. That costs another few credits. Now we're in the library and basically waiting until it has been upscaled. Okay, the image is ready now. Let's take another look. Then I can examine it again and have several options again. I can also make a video out of it right away. MagicFit has already written a prompt in here for me. Of course, I can also change it. I can choose the model here again. Let's take Seedance 2.0 and also set it to 1080p. We'll leave it at 4 seconds for now, 9:16, and then create a video. I'll wait again until the video is ready. As you can see here, you can, of course, as you're used to with Seedance, add an image, an audio track, add other things like avatars or additional videos to be integrated with it. so no wishes are left unfulfilled. Okay, the video is ready now. As you can see, it looks wonderful. For 4 seconds, you can use it immediately. I really like using image and video creation for my Facebook page. There I can create high quality images with the latest models, and you're always up to date. Now I'll show you something else that I also found very interesting, namely on the subject of products. Here you can either create a brand, where you basically go to create brand kit, where you can then enter a name, the various colors, and everything else, including your logo. Then MagicFit takes these specifications into account when creating ads or images. Let's go back. For us, it's often very important to be able to create t-shirt or book ads. To do this, we go to create product. There we insert a link. I've picked out a random book for this. And then you click on fetch details. MagicFit then inserts everything there. That takes a certain amount of time. Of course, you can also add a product manually, as you can see here. Okay, now we basically have the product URL here, the title, the description was copied out, the price, and the images that were available. Somehow it wasn't able to copy the other images very well. We'll just delete the bad images now. And if this were my product, I could of course add the other images manually here. Then I click on save. And then we'll also add something else at the same time, namely a t-shirt, so that we have that here too. Here we now basically have the t-shirt. It downloaded all the images from the Amazon page. We'll just delete these and only keep this one. Apparently it didn't find the price here. It would have been $17.99. We'll write that in here now and save the whole thing. Now we have both of these products in here. Now it's very simple. I can go to the ads maker here, can either choose an ad campaign. Let's click on this, something that might fit here. Unfortunately, these aren't really sorted yet, but support promised me that they'll address this in the future so that you can also search for something here. Or you can also, let's go back one step, just go to Quick Create, select a product here, click Next. Here is the description we defined earlier. Can select various things here again. Let's take product details, and for the image model we'll take GPT V2. Then you can select minor details for the purpose. Target audience, let's take auto for now. We'll leave style on auto too. Portrait, number of ads. Then I can have several created at once. Can also add a reference image. For example, if I saw an ad somewhere that I liked, I'll take a screenshot of it and put it in here. And then let's generate an ad. Okay, that's done now. As you can see here, this is actually quite decent for a quick shot. You can still edit the whole thing now, and then it's actually ready to be used for a Facebook ad, for example. We'll do the same thing now with the t-shirt. Here we'll choose clone a winning ad. Then we'll look for something that could have to do with a t-shirt, but it doesn't have to be. It adapts the whole thing. Let's just take this one here. So you can see that MagicFit simply adapts the ad. Continue. Select the product, the t-shirt. Continue again. Here we see the description and everything again. We'll take product details again. You can adjust things there again. We'll take GPT Image V2 again and press Generate. Here we have the finished ad now. I don't think it's bad at all. You could edit it again, of course, but you could definitely use it like this. As mentioned at the beginning, I haven't tried avatars yet, but it looks very promising. Under each name, you always have an @ and the name. You can then simply integrate that into your prompts, and then that person will basically be used. As I said, I haven't tried voice cloning yet either. I don't know how well that really works. I assume it's not on, 11 labs or HeyGen level, but definitely sufficient for our purposes. Now we'll take a look at the page on AppSumo to see what the whole thing costs. As always, there are different tier levels that have different prices, and in this case deliver different amounts of credits per month. It starts at $89. Here you get 250 credits monthly. Then for $159 you get 600 credits. You get 1,300 credits for $299, and so on. I took the largest package because I really use it very frequently and planned to just stick with Google Gemini. And no matter which image model is currently the best, I don't have to worry about that anymore. Exactly the same with the videos. Why should I pay 200 euros for ChatGPT again, only to not have early access to anything in the EU anyway? Just like with Google or Seedance, I don't even know if you have access at all in the EU. I don't want to participate in all that chaos anymore. I wanted a simple solution and not have to worry in the future about what, where, and how I have to pay. This one-time price is worth it to me to finally have my peace with the whole thing in the future. Yes, I know that was of course a high price to start with, but I use it a lot and it will definitely pay off for me in the coming months. And anyone who has been following our channel for a while knows that we really like lifetime deals on this channel anyway, and I'd rather pay a bit more once than deal with this monthly subscription payment that has been getting on my nerves for the longest time. If I've piqued your interest in MagicFit, you can find the link in the description, and I'd be happy if you get this tool through my link and also write a comment on how you like MagicFit if you got it. From my side, a clear buy recommendation, and we'll see each other in one of the next videos where I want to show you 1 or 2 other products from AppSumo that I've bought recently. So have a nice day, and if you have any questions, just write them in the comments. Bye.